Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. The future of camping has arrived, and it's not riding on four wheels anymore, it's gliding silently on three. Welcome to the world of the 2025 Futuristic Camper Tricycle, a bold reimagining of mobility, sustainability, and minimalist living. As cities grow smarter and roads become more congested, this revolutionary camper trike offers a compelling alternative: freedom, agility, and ultra-modern living packed into a compact, electric-powered design. Imagine a sleek, aerodynamic shell that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. This camper trike isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle statement. Crafted from ultra-lightweight carbon composite materials, the frame is engineered for strength without bulk. This makes it not only easy to handle on highways and bike paths, but also efficient in terms of battery consumption. The built-in solar panels covering the roof and sides feed directly into a high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack, giving it an impressive off-grid capability. Powering this futuristic machine is a silent but robust electric motor, delivering torque that rivals traditional scooters and small cars. With a top speed of 45 miles per hour and a range of up to 150 miles per charge, the 2025 Camper Trike can take you through city streets or scenic backroads with ease. Plus, regenerative braking adds extra mileage while helping to conserve energy, a small but significant touch that aligns with its eco-conscious design. Step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly spacious micro-living space that unfolds with intelligent design. Every square inch is optimized. A foldable bed converts into a compact seating area during the day. LED lighting lines the ceiling, creating a bright and cozy interior. There's even a retractable desk area for remote work, editing videos, or planning your next destination. Integrated smart tech allows you to control temperature, lighting, and energy usage via voice commands or a touchscreen panel. Despite its small footprint, the futuristic camper trike includes a modular kitchenette. With an induction cooktop, collapsible sink, and a built-in 12V fridge, it's more than ready to handle your road meals. Storage is cleverly tucked away in overhead compartments, underseat drawers, and within the floor. Even the cooking utensils have dedicated slots to avoid rattling while you're on the move. Hygiene hasn't been forgotten either. A compact slide-out bathroom pod extends from the rear, featuring a composting toilet and a quick rinse shower setup. Water tanks are integrated below the floor for fresh and gray water, and are easily refillable. It's a testament to how innovation can make even the tiniest of spaces fully functional. Technology is at the heart of this trike. The cockpit is loaded with digital displays showing everything from GPS and battery stats to real-time weather updates and terrain mapping. The built-in AI driving assistant can recommend routes based on your preferences, whether you're chasing sunsets, national parks, or simply trying to avoid heavy traffic. Plus, with built-in 5G and satellite connectivity, you're never too far from the digital world unless you want to be. One of the most futuristic features is the auto-leveling suspension. Whether you park on a rocky hillside or uneven terrain, the trike adjusts its base to give you a level platform. This ensures comfort while sleeping and stability when cooking or working. Noise insulation is another thoughtful feature. It allows for quiet nights even if you're camped near bustling roads or windy coasts. When it comes to safety, this trike is ahead of the curve. It includes 360-degree cameras, proximity sensors, collision alerts, and adaptive lighting. Even the tires are embedded with smart sensors that adjust pressure in real time to improve traction and mileage. And if you're ever in trouble, the onboard emergency beacon can send your exact GPS location to first responders. Charging the camper trike is incredibly flexible. Use a standard EV charger, a wall outlet, or rely on solar charging if you're boondocking in remote areas. Thanks to the efficient solar panels, you can stay off-grid for days, maybe even weeks, depending on your power consumption. Add to that a built-in battery management system that balances performance and longevity, and you've got a machine that's as durable as it is smart. But perhaps what's most exciting is the lifestyle this vehicle promotes. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about experiencing the journey in a clean, quiet, and connected way. The 2025 Futuristic Camper Tricycle encourages you to slow down, travel intentionally, and live with less, all while having more freedom. Perfect for solo travelers, digital nomads, or weekend wanderers, this camper trike redefines what modern camping can be. It's nimble enough for tight city turns, yet rugged enough for light off-road adventures. Its compact design means you can park almost anywhere, from a quiet forest trailhead to a cozy urban nook, without needing massive RV hookups or special permits. In a world where the lines between work, travel, and lifestyle are increasingly blurred, this vehicle offers the ultimate hybrid solution. Imagine waking up to a lakeside view, brewing coffee from your fold-out kitchenette, and starting your day's work with a full signal and zero emissions. That's not a dream, it's the promise of the 2025 Futuristic Camper Trike. So whether you're escaping the city, chasing the horizon, or simply exploring the world in a new, more sustainable way, this is your ride into the future. Lightweight, powerful, intelligent, and eco-friendly. The future of mobile living isn't four-wheeled, it's three-wheeled. And it's already here.